Good afternoon and welcome to Daily Stock Market Update. The DCX remained in the green zone for the second consecutive day and gained 28.67 points or 0.43% and settled at 6,698 points. Market turnover was BDT 12.08 billion, which is an increase of 24.24% compared to the previous trading day. ICB, National Housing Finance, Bangladesh Finance and DBH Finance from the NBFI sector, Acme Laboratories, ACI Formulation, Square Pharmaceuticals and ACI from the pharmaceutical sector and Titash Gas Transmission, NGL Bangladesh and CBO Petrochemical Refinery from the fuel and power sector pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the NBFI sector registered the highest gain of 3.23%, while the life insurance sector posted the second highest gain of 1.36%. On the other hand, the cement sector registered the highest loss of 0.07%. 5 industrial companies and 4 NBFI were among the top 20 gainers today. ACI Formulations, National Housing Finance and Shinepukur Ceramics registered the highest gain, while Imam Button, ICB Islamic Bank and Pubali Bank were the top losers. National Housing Finance gained in value as investors may be expecting the company to declare a positive earnings growth in its Board of Directors meeting on 12th May. Pubali Bank fell in value due to dividend adjustment as it resumed trading today after its record date. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of ACI Formulations, Shinepukur Ceramics and Trust Bank surged significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase for the above-mentioned stocks. Today's top 2 news. Sri Lanka has temporarily refrained from paying foreign debts due to its limited foreign reserves coupled with high import demand for essential items. Hence, Bangladesh Bank extends the currency swap agreement with Sri Lanka by a year as Sri Lanka is suffering from foreign debt burden and foreign exchange rate pressure. Bangladesh provided Sri Lanka with $200 million as a bilateral currency swap agreement to balance the foreign reserves and to ease their currency rate. As per loan conditions, Sri Lanka has already deposited equivalent amounts of Sri Lanka currency with Bangladesh Bank and Bangladesh transferred $50 million into the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Increasing imports compared to exports has widened the country's trade deficit and it reached $25 billion in the first 9 months of the current fiscal year. This deficit is 9.25% higher if compared to the full period of last fiscal year and 64% higher year-on-year basis. Even if exports rose as the economy reopened after pandemic shock, imports surpassed exports due to demand rebounding and higher prices of food items and fuel in the global market. However, a higher trade deficit is causing a shortfall in the country's current account balance of foreign transactions. That's all for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.